Oh, you hate dogs for?
Oh, you hate dogs? Oh.
No! Quick time event, quick time event.
Wait, why am I so slow? I'm just like... Can I go faster?
Oh my god, I'm actually dead. I'm actually dead. I was mashing so hard there and it didn't work. I'm mashing so hard. Can you go forward? Like...
Oh! Oh, mash more!
No, it takes it away from me at the end.
Go!
My nail keeps getting stuck now. Maybe it is literally a skill issue.
Maybe it is a skill issue.
You speed up.
Wait, let's try it again. If it's slow, then
if it is still slow, then oh my god, it's just me being bad. I'm mashing so hard, it's not working.
Oh!
I'm literally mashing as hard as I can.
Jowari dog. This is the Jowari dog. Oh! Oh my god.
What is this? What is this? This is so bad.
There's actually no way.
So, see chat, it's not skill issue. It's not skill issue. Game is just...
It's a known bug.
A known bug. Oh.
Go, Vox! Go! What the frick?
Oh no, I'm the one going down the thing.
Oh.
No!
Your game crashed?
No, my game's fine, but you're like in the QT. Oh no, your game crashed.
My game crashed. I got it!
What?
I got it!
What was that? What was that realization? Huh?
I just mashed the heck out of it.
So it was a skill issue the whole time. So it really was. The moment you realized you had to kick the dog away, you got it. What changed? Did you just mash harder?
I guess.
Yeah.
It just worked.
All of this, it just works. It just works.